Hello friend, it's my pleasure to welcome you to my channel LZ Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and if you are a freelancer or you are working with any online platform or you are Amazon KDP seller and you need United States bank account to receive your payment anywhere in the world, this video is for you, because in this video I'm going to walk you through step by step on how you can create a free United States bank account that you can use to receive payment anywhere in the world, whether you want to withdraw, you want to receive the payment from bank, or you want to receive the payment from online and you are required to provide your United States bank account and you are not a US citizen. This is very much possible for you. All you have to do is to make sure you watch this video step by step and see how you can create a free United States bank account using Payoneer tutorial. So with that being said, so let's dive into tutorial. First thing first, you need to head over to payoneer.com. But I have a very good news for you guys that watch this video. If you want to sign up on your Payoneer account, there is an opportunity for you to earn $25 if you use this referral link. Okay, I'm going to put this link right here. I'm going to put it in the description of this video so that you guys can click on the link in the description and use this link to sign up your free account on Payoneer. Immediately you sign up, just make sure that you fill in your detail based on your legal name and stuff like that, your address, everything. Make sure everything is real. So once you are able to register successful, the next thing is that you need to verify your account. So once you verify if you don't know how to register on Payoneer, first thing first, just click the link in the description of this video and check my channel and see how you can register successful on Payoneer. So after that, you can also check the video out on how you can verify your Payoneer account with your government issue card, whether driver's license or international passport. You are good to go. So immediately you are able to do that, you are entitled to this $25 in PayPal fund for free. Okay, so once you are able to register successful and you verify, next thing you have to do is to log into your Payoneer account, which I'm going to show you right here. So when you log into your Payoneer account, you are going to have stuff like this. So you will be given a 3 option that you can use to receive payment. This one here is USD, and this one here is Euro, and this one is Great Britain Pound. Okay, so for you to know your account number that you can use to receive payment from any platform, maybe online, to receive payment online, or to receive payment offline through bank transfer to your bank account. So for you to know your bank account detail, you have to come right here where you see banks and card. So you click on banks and card, then it take you right here. So the first option here is bank account for withdrawal. This is a place where you need to add your account detail if you want to withdraw your fund from Payoneer. Or your receiving account is what you need right here, which is this one. All you have to do is to click on receiving account. So when you click on receiving account, it's going to take you to where you'll be able to see your account detail. Okay, so right here you have to click on here to fill your account detail. So you have to click on fill detail. You can see United States bank account. So you click on fill detail. So when you click on fill detail, you are going to see your account information right here, such as account detail, bank name, First Century Bank, route number, account number, and account type, stuff like that, and beneficiary name. Your name is going to be there, and the bank address. So these are the information you need. All you have to do is to just be clicking on copy account detail, copy account name, copy account routing, and copy the account number and provide it to whoever that want to send you money into your United States bank account. With that, once you use this detail, then each time anybody send you money through this bank account, you are going to see your fund in let me quickly take you home. So your fund is going to be deposited in your USD wallet. Okay, so the fund is going to be deposited in your USD wallet. From there you can move the fund. So you can see this is your USD wallet. So the fund is going to be here, so you can move the fund from this Payoneer platform to your bank account and start to spend your money as you like. So this is how you can easily open United States bank account without any stress. I hope you guys find value for this video. If you enjoyed this video, please give this video a big thumb up, and also remember to subscribe for more tutorial about online payment issue. And lastly, don't forget to check the link in the description to this Payoneer sign up registration, so you'll be entitled to 25 USD for free. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.